everybody, welcome back to the WeCoach channel, or welcome if you're here for the first time. We are husband and wife resellers. We resell on eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, Amazon, and all local marketplaces as well. My name is John Cafaro. This is the WeCoach channel. This is my wife,
Gladys.
and we are about to do the second unboxing. So we've been working feverishly. We uploaded the video last night, I believe, on the first one. We're going to try to get this one uploaded tonight. So I'm not sure when you're seeing this exactly, but we need to get these 2 more pallets to go out of here because it is Monday now. Wednesday, we have another pallet coming with about $7,000 worth of shoes. This is Bed Bath & Beyond. This is pallet number 2 we're going to unbox here. It is $6,928. 130 items. We opened up the other pallet. I'll link that video down below. Why would you want to watch videos like this? It's just good. So if you want to resell online, you can see, you know, what we're paying for it. We're full disclosure. I give you all the numbers in that video, so watch that video. And it's a good way to learn what you get for your money. Sometimes better than others. The first pallet was very good so far. We don't have our money back yet. I know that. We paid $1,879 for the 3 pallets. And this pallet, I think we're going to see our profit into the 3rd pallet, but we'll see what we got. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's open it up.
Okay.
Cut her open. So I'm not really so happy with the way Liquidation.com, that's where we bought this, packed some of this stuff. It's for whatever reason, never was like this before, but everything like this shrink wrap, plastic wrap, saran wrap, whatever you guys call it, very dirty. And look what's on top on this one, a white comforter, and it's dirty over here, of course. So right off the bat, this is just a mistake on their part, I'll say. So let's try to get this out of here. It is in like a bag, but it's this one we'll put in there. But it's got a little dirt on it, so I don't know if it can be cleaned or whatever, or maybe it's going to be just trash. It's not in the original bag, so right off the bat, not too good, not too happy, even when I first saw this pull in here from the truck. So it looks like we got some little rugs here. Let's pull them out of here. Maybe cut some of this plastic here. Watch your fingers. That's the more dull knife, I think. Let me see.
No, maybe scissors?
Yeah, I forgot them, but let's see.
Yeah.
I'll get it off. Just gotta angle it the right way.
Yeah.
And just yank it. Let's get this out of here. So we got a little box right here that looks like some curtains maybe, or blinds. Okay, so I'll put that there. So some rugs here. They're big. Oh, it's one big rug. Holy moly. That's one big rug. That's kind of nice actually. But it has like a tear in it. So this is absolutely no good.
Why?
I think. Or is that? No, it's just a crease. I thought that was a tear right there. It's just where it was creased. It looks, you know, we'll open this up and look at it, but it looks pretty good, actually. Looks pretty good. I thought it was a tear in it, but it's not. So far, so good. We'll put that down over here. We're working in such tight quarters here. This is our house. This is our garage. We're looking into a warehouse now. You got it? Come on, pull it out. Use your muscles.
It's heavy.
Use your muscles.
What it is.
Oh, maybe a weighted blanket.
Wow.
Not in the pack. A weighted blanket. Very heavy. Probably about 20-25 pounds. Weighted blankets sell really well for us, actually. It's not in the original box, which is not super cool. Cop cam. Oh, appropriate right now. So $39.99 it says on there. It looks brand new in the box. This looks all factory sealed, so that's pretty cool. Cop cam. Put that on your car, I guess. And yeah, just here. You know what? Yeah, I guess put it over there. So let's see what this is. I'm guessing blinds. So this here, yeah, window covering it says on it. So this is, you got your phone or no?
Me?
No, it's all right. It's blinds. It's got all the new hardware. It's all brand new.
1 minute.
It's all brand new. So I'll let her scan this when she gets back with her phone. We're in such a scramble here to get this stuff done. So we had one of these on the last pallet. This is a drapery rod. It's a little bit different, but new in the box. So that's good. We'll put that aside. That's probably about 40 bucks. That's what the other one was. So another white comforter. Look at this. It's all dust on top. I mean, it's not terrible, but it really is because it's white of all colors. But it's in the pack, but it's open, so it's got like dust on it. It's brushing off. Actually, this one's not as bad as the last one. But still, shame on you, Liquidation.com. You get a real, you get a D- on this pallet. Yeah, it's dirt. It's got dust on top. So the next two boxes, I kind of know what they are already because we got them in the last one. So these are Snapware, and this is a manifested lot, so we kind of know before we even bid on it what we're getting ourselves into. That's the bottom of the box, though. Over here. I'll show you these if you didn't see the other video. So these are plastic tubs made by Snapware. Snapware we've sold before, not this. This is all for Christmas ornaments, I believe. Let's just double check. All brand new with the tags on it, and that's exactly what they are. I'll hold one of those up.
I broke one.
That's broke?
Yeah, one maybe.
Oh, it's a piece of plastic. Oh yeah, this is cracked. So brand new, but a little bit damaged on that one. But still usable and still sellable. And it's just it's damaged too.
No. That one, these are,
yeah, these are good.
Yeah.
So these are good. Just the one. So they're just for Christmas ornaments. All brand new, easy to list. So so we already have two of these cases. Two of these cases like this. I'm not really sure how many's in here. There's two by two, and then three. So it's probably three high. So like six in here. I think there's 6. So 6, 12, so 24 of these things. I think they're $10 each. But that's now. That's the clearance price. We'll get more as we get closer to the holidays. I'm not going to open this one up because we know it's the same thing. So I'm going to put this one back over here. See something really cool here.
The same.
I just want to. I want to put the bottom of the box here. Put this one down here. So real tight in our garage. Our whole house is kind of a whole place that we store everything. So not easy. So another set of blinds. Let's see if you can scan this one. See if you can scan it. It's right on the corner there. So these are like the return tickets. And she's got the Bed Bath & Beyond scanner, so it's real easy to look it up. So real simple, cordless, cellular, 64-inch length shade. What's that price?
$94.99.
$94.99. So assuming it's new like the last one, it does. It looks like the plastic's in there, but all this was opened here, so we'll have to check that out. So that's pretty easy to check, easy to ship because it's ship ready in this box. So so that's real easy. So
This is
Mr. My Pillow rather.
this all fast.
Yeah, these sell real fast. It is opens, but we'll have to check that out again. So $39.99 says it right on the box, so that makes it helpful. A pantry organizer. We sell tons of this stuff. We've bought Wayfair pallets. We've gotten stuff like this. We've bought Bed Bath & Beyond before and Amazon. Any kind of closet organizers, anything to organize your home, shelving. It flies off the shelf, no pun intended. So real easy to sell, assuming everything is in there and not broken or anything like that. Claritin. Come on, you got it? Use those muscles. It's a heavy one. So Claritin blanket, right? It's a king size. I'm just gonna stick it up here. So just get some tape on it. King size, ultimate allergen barrier comforter, luxurious protection, king size lifetime warranty on it. So looks pretty cool. Why don't you scan that one? The little scan tag is right there. So it's got a little bit of dust. The dust is mostly just on this plastic wrap.
Wow.
How much?
$140.
$140. Looks packed pretty good, so that has
Maybe
to get checked out as for sure. I'll set that right there. What else we got? Let's look at this big box here. Is this more of the
This
snapware?
is the same.
Oh, so another box of these things. I didn't even notice this at first. So a lot of these. So we have 5 boxes of these. 5 boxes of these. And then this is a real fast pallet. So, and we're gonna probably record the other video today because like I said, we have to process all this stuff because we have another pallet of 75 pairs of high-end shoes coming in on Wednesday. It's Monday. So hoping to get this stuff listed, most of it listed by Wednesday. Probably won't get it all listed. So these sell. This is a really awesome thing because we've sold tons of these before as well. Shark Ion robots. Looks pretty good in the box here. Again, we'll have to check it out and make sure all the pieces are there. If it was open, we'll have to test it. And if it was used, then we can sell it used. So even something like this, we can sell used. But there is a lot of work in doing this kind of stuff. So if you're into liquidation, please click the like button. Please click the follow button. We'd love to have you follow our channel and join our journey as we are full-time now resellers, reselling again on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, but we also sell Amazon, FBA. None of this stuff will sell at Amazon. That all new stuff. We buy mostly wholesale stuff for there. We do some retail arbitrage too. That's where we go into stores and scan items, and we can find them at discount and sell them at full retail price online. So we're going to get right into this. We're going to clear this out of here, and then we're going to come back and record another video, but you're going to be watching this one, and I'll probably upload that video in a day or two. So again, thank you so much for being here with us and going along the ride with us with our crazy lives. So you can do this if you want. It's real easy. If you have any comments, please drop them down below. I'd love to hear from you. We'd love to grow our channel and have you a part of our family here on the WeCoach channel on YouTube. So thanks so much. Again, I always leave with the same 5 words on all my talks, and those 5 words mean a lot to me. Hopefully you can take them to heart and put it and apply it to your life. And those words are real simple to remember and to use, and that's to live each breath with passion. Life's short. Go make today the best day of your life, and when you do that every single day, you're gonna have a wonderful life. So there's ups and downs in lives. We all have our struggles and different things that come up in our lives, but when you focus on your breath and focus on each moment and realize that it's such a precious gift that we have, just take that to heart and take that with you as you go throughout your day. Thanks again, guys. We really appreciate you being here with us. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.